I know a lot of DIY people like myself, we like to get cars and tune them. So we like to push them beyond what the normal factory expectation is, you know? So when you're pushing these cars to the limit, regular oil that you get at the regular store like AutoZone or Pep Boys, that oil is not gonna cut it. Not for the tuner guys. So I found out about this oil, LIqui MOLY, and this is like a top-notch oil, cutting edge for people who have European cars that are turbocharged. This is LIqui MOLY green. This is like the updated, better version. See, it's new generation. It's the same exact oil that I use for my Audi. And let me tell you, ever since the moment I picked up this oil, I've noticed an increase in like smoothness in my engine as soon as I got it. So I'm gonna read the back what it says. According to the little chart, through the roof, basically improve fuel economy, reduce friction and wear, speed of oil penetration, deposit prevention, and oil film strength. And if you're wondering if it's for Volkswagen vehicles, it says it right there at the bottom. See, BMW, Porsche, Volkswagen 502. Same way it would say it for like Castrol or Mobile One, like on there. It will say that in like the little fine print. A little sneak peek. This is one of the coolest oil containers I've ever seen. Look at this. See, when you pop it open, you lift this right here. And then this just twists off and you can pour it, and you can see it's definitely green. The oil's green. It just depends on what you plan to be doing with your engine. If you know that you want top-notch protection, then the investment might be worth it for you. Hopefully this message was useful for you guys. If you like that, give me a like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one. Peace. If you're wondering where to buy it, LIqui MOLY is available online. I buy it on eBay and have it shipped to my house. It's kind of a specialty kind of item. It is made in Germany.